Gloveman 50ml Antibacterial Hand Gel kills 99.9% of germs. The gel is moisturising, quick drying, and as well as having aloe vera, it also contains vitamin E. The 50ml tottle comes with a belt clip that makes the hand gel easy to carry around and always available for carers and nurses to use. Once used, the tottle can easily be refilled with either our Gloveman hand sanitising gel 500ml pump bottle or our Gloveman hand sanitizer 5 litre with a pump dispenser like this one. Therefore, the Gloveman 50ml antibacterial hand gel is a highly recommended product and protects the user against bacteria. This also helps prevent cross-contamination.